Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking pastor in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So my people, right about now, people, we know how yard go right now. We are talking about Jamaica, people. You don't know, so we can't take no threat. You understand? Because, yo, two of the things that I know, people, only Jah sees and knows. Well, this picture you look on right now, people, see? It's of a young man from in a district, what them call WIND0W district, people, down in a WESTM0RELAND, my viewers and subscribers. And sadly to say, my viewers and subscribers, big up Rooster, this young man is not with us no more. Zine, he was 20 years old and he goes by the name THR0UGH, people. You know what I mean? I've other alias and thing, but a lot of people know him as THR0UGH. As me tell her, 20 years old. So it is said that, people, on Wednesday in the morning, people, sometime after 2, a mere sound out a door close to where him live, people, in him look a room and thing with him girlfriend, and him hear a sound out there because him don't know say him have him look a thing a go on with certain and such man people. Like a look a few, you know what I mean? And him comes a boom now, people. Guard the window. Fi look out there, to pull the curtain and look out there, people. And by the time him fi pull the curtain based on the information we get, people, the gunman out there just put the gun right there. Bap, right in him face instantly, people. He dropped. You understand? He dropped, and by the time him drop, people, the man kicky in the door, boom, come inside, people, and take the girl now. You understand? At gunpoint with gun her head, people start lick her and thing, then carry her in some bush nearby, people, and just do it, feel like do with our people, basically raper and thing, and you know what I mean? And shortly after that, people, police come and thing, and you know, basically she know who do it, people, because it wasn't somebody who far away, and them get to find a person. So them have a person right now in custody pertaining to the murder and assault of the female, my people. And just to say, people, this is how Jamaica is right now. See, and that's why I say we can't take no check. We have to know what we are the people, because the things set away. And at any given point, any given moment, people, you do have a problem with somebody, yo, that's it. Then we come in, you understand? And sometimes, you know, we know people, we envy people. We see her with a girl, she look nice, and them are praying to themselves, or the boy in a worse. If you don't come from the community, a boy come in a man community, and I go on so hype with a big body girl. You know, say, we are the general, we should not let them girl and bust off them boy face. Yeah, that whole lot of people pray, that whole lot of man pray. As it, them now pray the things, so yo, me can go out there, go find one for myself, you know, and I respect that youth, the fee. No, I make him move and him find somebody. Seen them pretty different with people, and that's it. Them strike boom, slap you out for no reason at all. Seen, well, sadly, people, the youth gone. He's no longer here with us. Seen, but only just sees and knows. But you see, this same thing, you know, who the police have in custody, the people pertaining to the assault and murder of the young man. I want them give him the harshest punishment. You understand? We know how a system go at Jamaica where we not have certain things. You know what I mean? But we want them deal with them the harshest and really sweet people. Because doing something like this to a person, and worse if this person was an innocent victim, people, or if you know say where it come from can be some little foolishness that can squash out and deal with people, because people dead, people kill people sometimes for nothing, as me I show you before, for nothing. Just like basically a ice cement, just like basically some water, $10, $1. You get what I say? How crazy people is, and worse, they can get themselves with that trigger and just know say boom, put something in it, squeeze. You see me? But all me can say, viewers and subscribers, man, the place set away. Just imagine, people, them so we in the half of the year, people, and Jamaica has recorded over 700 murders. 700 life has been taken away by violence in Jamaica, and we are just in halfway in the year, people. Yeah, it's not a good look. It's a very small country, man. When I check the map and you look at that, the dot pertaining to so much countries around us, Spanish countries and all of that, but we'd expect it to be, you know, just like the Jamaica, man, against our own black brothers and sisters. For what reason? Honestly, for what reason? Only just Caesar knows. The talking can't catch Quacker, we catch him shot and what? You know? Yo, boy, we are pray for your change and pray for better still. Only just sees and he knows. Enough love, my people. Enough respect, man. Remember to do like, do share, and do comment. And big up on yourself, you know, and just stay safe, people. Follow me on Instagram, and Facebook, and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official. You don't know, people. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support. You want to make a contribution to our channel, people. We also have a link below. Check for it. That's the PayPal link, man. And give us support, man. Thanks much. Appreciate it. Enough love. Big up. Attack.